Next, what I wanted to ask was that everyone, when we see an Instagram page like Filter Copy having millions of followers, having the blue tick verified badge, from the audience perspective, a lot of people think that, oh, brands will be running to them that, hey, please take our money and, please place our brand in your videos, which is not happening. Like, I know that there are proper brand managers who execute the deals, who negotiate the money, and that's how we see one video get on our Instagram feeds. So like, what is the process behind a brand campaign getting executed, like from scratch? Like, you don't know the brand does not know you. How does the process get initiated to the point that I see it on my phone screen?
Yeah, so basically, it's a two-way street. There are brands who have seen our videos in the past, who have liked our content, and they reach out to us. And there are brands that we think, we would want to associate with and would be a good fit for our platform, and we reach out to them.
Inbound
So
and
it totally
outbound.
doesn't. Sorry.
Inbound and outbound.
Correct,
Yeah.
inbound and outbound. So we get both, we associate with both the inbound and outbound queries. After we meet the brand, we kind of understand what their perspective is, what their communication objective is, what their target audience is, and what they actually want to show and position themselves in the market, and what is their core requirement in terms of communication.
Yeah.
ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलने के बाद एक ब्रीफ फॉर्म होता है जिसमें हम ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कोलेट करते हैं, एंड ये जो ब्रीफ होता है वी काइंड ऑफ टेक दिस बैक टू आवर क्रिएटिव टीम. So it could be the creative team of Filter Copy, which makes short videos. It could be the creative team of Dice Media, जहाँ पे हम web series बनाते हैं. It could be Gobble's creative team if they want something related to fashion, lifestyle, or food and travel.
Yeah.
So depending upon unke objectives and unka communication, we take it to the relevant platform. We sit with the creative team, we brainstorm ki kya ideas de sakte hain, and then the creative team comes up with a few ideas jo wo chalk out karti hai. We share it with the brand, we walk them through the whole idea, and we tell them ki this is how your brand will be integrated, this is how the video will look. And we kind of tell them ki theek hai, ye minimum numbers hum aapko promise karenge, and all of that, and the other list of deliverables that is there. So after the brand is convinced and after the brand likes the topic, then we kind of seal the deal. And of course the commercials are also being discussed parallelly, and we negotiate if needed, and we discuss the commercials, and then we lock the price and the topic, and then the deal is closed.
Yeah.
After that, so I belong to the client acquisition team.
Department. Okay.
So my role is to acquire the client, which is to get the client on board. After the deal is closed, I pass on the deal to my servicing person, who is in the client servicing department.
Okay.
So he or she then takes it over and makes sure that the video is executed properly. Now, what happens after the deal is closed? We sign the contract and everything, and then the scripting starts. So scripting is basically the detailed version of how the video is going to play out, like a proper script of the video.
Yeah.
So that is then shared by with the brand, and we take their feedback and we take their suggestions, and we have a discussion, and then we lock the script, we lock the integration, how the brand will be integrated and what features will we highlight, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then we kind of also simultaneously lock the cast. We take their suggestions as to if they have any person in mind. If they have an actor in mind, we check their availability. If not, then we suggest from our end, and then we lock the celebrities and the shoot date and the timelines and everything. So all of this, the whole process takes about 3 to 4 weeks.
Okay.
From from the day the concept gets locked till the video gets released, it takes about 3 to 4 weeks, because scripting takes time, casting, like the locking of the cast takes time. And then the video shoot happens, and post that there is editing, there is the whole packaging of the video, there's color correction, and then we send the first cut to the brand. They give their feedback, then we kind of incorporate that, and then send the second cut. So all of this takes time, and then finally the video gets released, and yeah, for the audience, can, like, it's for the audience to be seen eventually.
Yeah.